I want to make you an offer today, an offer that will change your life forever. You can take this offer or leave it. It's totally up to you. Are you ready to transform your life? Welcome to Power Pulse Life, the channel where health meets motivation and knowledge turns into power. If you've been searching for the right push to get healthier, stronger, and more inspired every single day, you just found it. Here, we bring you powerful tips for your body, your mind, and your future. From health and wellness to daily habits that build discipline. From science-backed fitness advice to motivational stories that push you beyond limits. This isn't just a channel, it's your new journey towards a better you. Here's what you get when you hit that subscribe button. You'll get access to a vault of health and motivation secrets. You'll learn about the hidden heroes in everyday foods that make all the difference. Want to know the foods that fuel your body? We'll show you how to make informed choices that supercharge your well-being. Imagine fueling your body like a high-performance engine and watch what happens. You'll also uncover simple yet effective habits that add up to big changes in your energy levels. Looking for simple habits to boost your energy? We've got you covered with practical tips that fit seamlessly into your day. Now, let's talk motivation. Are you tired of feeling unmotivated, stuck in a rut, and unsure how to reignite your passion for life? Then, our motivation and mindset videos are the shot in the arm you need. We'll introduce you to inspiring stories and mind hacks that will have you seeing challenges as opportunities in disguise. So, if you're ready to break through barriers and shatter your own limitations, this is where you'll find the tools to make it happen. But wait, there's more. We also delve into the fascinating world of human potential, helping you understand your body better so you can truly optimize your health and wellness journey. And here's the icing on the cake. At Power Pulse Life, we believe in empowering you with knowledge and supporting you every step of the way. So if you ever have questions or need guidance, our team of experts is here to help. This is more than just a channel. It's a vibrant community of individuals who are passionate about living their best lives. When you join us, you become part of a supportive network that cheers you on and keeps you accountable. Together, we can conquer any challenge and achieve our shared goals. Here's a sneak peek at some of the incredible content that awaits you. In our Fitness Friday series, we'll guide you through exercises that are as effective as they are easy to follow. No gym, no problem. We've got you covered with bodyweight workouts that deliver results. Plus, our nutrition tips videos are your go-to resource for making smarter food choices without sacrificing taste or convenience. We believe that healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated. It should be delicious and enjoyable. And let's not forget our motivational interviews. We'll bring you real-life stories of individuals who have overcome obstacles and achieved remarkable transformations. Their journeys will inspire you to keep pushing forward no matter what life throws your way. We're here to make a real difference in your life. We're not about quick fixes or empty promises. We're about empowering you with the knowledge and tools to transform your life for the better. Ready to take the first step towards a healthier, happier you? Click the subscribe button now and join the Power Pulse Life family. Don't wait another moment because your transformation starts today. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it brought some value to you. If it did, please give us a like. It really helps our channel grow and reach more people. And if you know someone who might benefit from this content, please share it with them. The more the merrier. We want to reach as many people as possible and help them live their best lives. And hey, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. We post new videos every week and you won't want to miss out on any of them. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.